Welcome to Barcelona. Barcelona is one of the most iconic and cosmopolitan cities in Spain and Europe. Located on the shores of the Mediterranean Sea, this city dazzles not only with its modernist architecture, but also with its history, culture, gastronomy, and urban vitality. Barcelona is the perfect blend of sea and mountains, art and everyday life, making it a must-see destination for both tourists and those who perhaps choose to stay and live here. One of the city's most recognizable symbols is the Sagrada Familia, the masterpiece of the architect Antoni Gaudí, and perhaps one of the most well-known monuments of Spain in the world. This imposing expiatory temple, still under construction more than 140 years after its first stone was laid, attracts millions of visitors each year. Its exterior is particularly impressive, with facades that seem sculpted by nature itself. The Nativity facade, full of details about Jesus' childhood, stands out for its vitality and decorative richness, while the Passion facade has a more austere and dramatic style, depicting the suffering of Christ. The Facade of Glory, still under construction, will be the main and most monumental one. The towers, which continue to rise year after year, offer an incomparable view of the city and reflect Gaudí's intention to connect heaven and earth. It is worth mentioning that although many visitors believe the Sagrada Familia to be Barcelona's cathedral, this is not true. The city's true cathedral is the Cathedral of the Holy Cross and Saint Eulalia, known simply as Barcelona Cathedral. Located in the Gothic neighborhood, this gem of Catalan Gothic architecture was built between the 13th and the 15th centuries. Its neo-Gothic facade was added in the 19th century, and inside is the tomb of Saint Eulalia, the city's patron saint. It is a place of contemplation, art and spirituality, surrounded by narrow streets that preserve the charm of medieval Barcelona. Another of Gaudí's essential creations is Park Güell, located in the upper part of the city. Initially designed as a residential development, it eventually became one of the world's most iconic parks. It combines nature and art in a unique way. Undulating mosaic covered benches, winding paths, leaning columns, and structures that blend with the surroundings. The famous Dragon Staircase and Panoramic Terrace offer spectacular views of Barcelona and represents one of the finest expressions of Catalan modernism in the open air. Barcelona is also known for its main avenues, which offer a unique urban experience. One of the stately avenues is Passeig de Gràcia, home to some of the jewels of Catalan modernism, such as Casa Batlló, another masterpiece by Gaudí. This building is striking for its undulating and colorful facade, inspired by natural forms, and is considered a symbol of Barcelona's architectural creativity. But without a doubt, the most famous of them all is Las Ramblas, a pedestrian boulevard that connects Plaça de Catalunya with the old port. Walking along Las Ramblas is like immersing yourself in the tourist heart of the city. At the end of Las Ramblas is the statue of Christopher Columbus pointing out to the sea. This monument marks the beginning of the Paseo Marítimo, a long pedestrian zone that runs along the city's coastline and connects the port with the beaches. It is ideal for strolling, cycling, or simply enjoying the sea breeze. Just a short distance away in the Barceloneta neighborhood are some of Barcelona's most popular beaches. Barceloneta Beach is perfect for relaxing, sunbathing, practicing water sports, or just enjoying its white waters. Its proximity to the city center makes it an easily accessible urban oasis. Barcelona's cuisine is another of the city's great attractions, with a strong Mediterranean influence. Dishes like paella, although originally from Valencia, have their own unique versions here. Fish and seafood in general take center stage, especially in seaside restaurants where the quality of the produce is unique. Another classic is pan tumaquet, a slice of bread on which tomato, olive oil and sometimes garlic is scrubbed. It's a perfect example of how something simple can be delicious. If there is one thing that defines Barcelona, it's its vibrant life. The city never sleeps and every corner exudes energy and security. The cultural calendar is packed with concerts, exhibitions, festivals, and outdoor events throughout the year. Furthermore, its diversity and openness make it a welcoming place for people from all over the world. Barcelona is a city that captivates at first sight, but is even more enjoyable when explored at a leisurely pace. From the monumental Sagrada Familia to its golden beaches, from its medieval streets to its modern markets, from its traditional flavors to its contemporary art, Barcelona is a vibrant city, constantly evolving, that knows how to look to the future without forgetting its past. A city where every corner has a story to tell and an experience to offer. My name is Alex Moraras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, and definitely subscribe to find out more amazing places to visit before you come to Spain.